morning to all, and thanks for the warm welcome. And I'm sure we all are having a very productive and learning session here with different topics. And today, as introduce myself, Kamal Krishnan, Senior Technical Manager from Mindcurv.
Hi all, I'm Giriraj, Cloud Architect at Mindcurv.
All right, so today we'll be talking about how we accelerate cloud native development, iteration to revolution. So before jumping into the topic, I would like to start this with this slide. This is nothing but the 2023 Gartner report on emerging tech trends. So the highlighted areas are where Mindcurv has already started their work or their presence, or will be focusing more in the coming years. And again, it's quite a lot. That means we need to accelerate. So accelerate is going to be a key word in our session. So last year, 2022, for the same event, we talked about our learnings from engineering a platform for 25 plus teams. So during that phase, our engineers were constantly working on implementing complex cloud solution for large-scale clients. And we had a lot of challenges, and from that we had a lot of learnings as well. So one of them was, how can we scale? Because our pipeline was getting stronger, so how can we address that? And then clients were demanding, of course. So how can we deliver faster? So how can we accelerate? And this third one is interesting because that's more about our talents. So they were involved in a lot of repetitive, iterative tasks, which was not exciting, obviously. So we want to make sure that they are excited and we are enabling them to upskill. So to address these three key issues, Mindcurv as an organization decided to invest in innovation and R&D. And as a result of that, this year, 2023, we are happy to present a result of that. So that is nothing but we developed a cloud platform accelerator, which we call as Mindcurv. So you will be hearing the term Mindcurv a lot for the next 10 minutes. So what is Mindcurv? Mindcurv is nothing but it's basically a platform accelerator to enable our clients to save time and get started quickly. So it's not a product. Don't confuse. So we are not building a product. We are not trying to sell it, no reselling or subscribing or anything. It's an internal operating platform that we use in Mindcurv, where we can implement projects for our clients using the best practices and principles. And it is built on top of very strong foundations because, see, over the years, we had a lot of learnings from all the projects that we have executed. So all that learnings we had tried to incorporate into this design or architecture so that we are delivering value to the customer and they are getting a very strong platform. So from a customer perspective, what are they going to gain? Why do they choose for this? Why can't we go for our legacy implementation? Definitely, savings from a cost perspective. If you compare a project cost for a particular plan, if you are using this cloud platform accelerator, there will be a saving of around 100 to 150 PDs in the project cost. And definitely followed by a shrinkage of duration. That means we can deliver fast. And definitely the client will be getting a strong platform that is built on a very strong foundation. This slide excites me because I'm coming from a delivery management practice. So I'm interested more in this slide because what was the state when we were not using Mindcurv? And what's the state after using Mindcurv? So before, it took us around 2 to 3 weeks, best case, more than that in some cases, to get the infrastructure up and running so that we can onboard the developers. Starting from preparing the architecture diagram to finally onboarding the developers. But with Mindcurv, it's a single click installation. And we can onboard the developers day 1 or even day 2. So that's the biggest advantage from my practice, basically. And then definitely coming with additional benefits of time and cost savings, as I mentioned earlier. And I also want to emphasize on the security part of it, because Mindcurv Group has a very specialized internal security team who audits, who keeps on auditing our platforms. And this accelerator has also been audited by them, and yeah, so we are good from that side as well. With that, so this is Mindcurv from a business delivery standpoint, and Giri will walk us through the rest of the slides.
Thanks, Kamal. Okay, I will walk you through the technical key highlights of Mindcurv. Mindcurv is basically a Kubernetes installation with a set of infrastructure management applications. It is a platform where you can deploy the applications with the GitOps principles and without knowing much about Kubernetes operations or management, which is designed as cloud agnostic, and it is following the best practices in DevOps. As an operating platform, this is streamlines the routine tasks and automated repeating processes that is allowing the engineers to focus more on complex and strategic aspects of work. This is a platform where the DevOps team can deploy, or the platform team can build the platform using this. So let's have a look at the different roles in the platform engineering team getting benefits of this platform. As an architect, based on the proven concepts which run globally on different cloud native platforms, you can select architectural decisions easily. And whenever a new business requirement comes, this is helping you to choose and improve from a large set of architectural decision records. For the platform team, with the features of Mindcurv, you can deliver the applications and services faster, and with the infrastructure code available, you can provision an infrastructure or maintaining the infrastructure in quick time. As we mentioned, this is following the best practices in DevOps, so the DevOps engineers can choose a standardized or optimized approach without an extensive research or trial and error. And also it's giving the flexibility for the DevOps engineers to experiment, iterate, and adapt to the changing requirements without major disruption. And the main thing is, it is helping them to do continuous learning, and also they can stay updated with the latest technologies and features. As a team, they can deliver the things faster, and it is enabled them to upskill. Let's have a look at the technical stack we added in this platform. As mentioned, this is cloud agnostic, and it is supporting AWS and Azure Cloud. This is running on EKS and AKS with auto-scaling functions like Carpenter and native cluster autoscaler integrated. And to get the support on native secret management, we are using external secret as the operator. Nginx ingress is using as the default ingress controller in this platform. And to support native domain service solutions like Route 53 and Azure DNS, we are using external DN as the operator, and set manager is using to manage certificates in this platform. Authentication to this platform is enabled using DEX. DEX is a tool which is allowing you to log into the cluster within a secure way, that too with different identity providers. As it is supporting different identity providers, we can choose customers' existing identity provider to this platform, that is speeding up the infrastructure setup. Argo CD is using for continuous deployment. And we have a very full stack of observability there, and which is giving a 360-degree view in the infrastructure, and which is built using the open source tool called Prometheus, which is featuring Loki, Grafana, and Tempo. Whoever is worked on this stack may face few challenges in the scalability and the maintenance of the platform. And we have a solution from Grafana itself called Grafana Cloud. This is, we can easily configure, you can easily scale and easily maintain the platform using this SaaS solution. Mindcurv group is partnering with Grafana, and we have enabled this SaaS solution also feature in this Mindcurv platform, and which is a feature the customers can opt in now. So as we said, this is following the best practices in DevOps, SecOps, and FinOps. As our motto is continuously delivering high value to the customer, our engineering team continuously improving the performance and adding more features to this platform. And to make more cloud agnostic, we are preparing for Google Cloud support, as well as the next first priority in the list is Cilium. I hope most of you know about Cilium, which is built on top of eBPF, and this is giving more networking, security, and observability features to this platform. More than that, Mindcurv group is partnering with Isovalent as well. So we are putting more priority on this one, and we can speed up the integration to the Mindcurv platform. The key takeaways from this topic is we are delivering high value to the customer with the speed and quality, and it's giving us organizational scalability, and it is enabling our challenger to upskill and experience the latest features. With that, I'm handing over to Kamal.
Yeah, so that's all what we have to talk about Mindcurv in this slot. So I'm pretty sure you all will be having a lot of questions or curious to know about this cloud platform accelerator. So please feel free to visit our booth, and we'll be there to answer any questions or help you. So yeah, with that, I would like to welcome our co-founder of Mindcurv Group, Nazarino, to the stage. He came all the way from Germany to attend this event.
Hello, everyone. It's a bit honored for me to be here. So we have been part of this event for many years already, and I always want to make it. This time I could, so I'm really happy to be here with all of you. So in the next couple of minutes, I will, for the ones who don't know Mindcurv, I'll just talk a bit about the company and the kind of things we do. So at Mindcurv, in a nutshell, what we do, we build and run state-of-the-art cloud platforms, okay, cloud-native platforms. So, and when we started the company back in 2011 in Germany and in India, we had the vision that application and infrastructure must be built together. So we couldn't have those siloed groups. So we have to build everything together. And if we want to deliver the best value to our clients. And to that end, we build a culture of deep engineering, where all our practice leads and managers are engineers. And that way, we can expose our members to all the best technologies and the best practices, and foster creativity and communication, and also teamwork, right? So when you start working with the Mindcurv team, you will see that information flows seamlessly across all our members. So another distinctive feature of Mindcurv is our mix-shoring model. So unlike offshoring, mix-shoring means we build teams, and that's from day one. We build teams with the best possible talent we can find to solve this business problem or this project. And we do it across the board. So we pick people from all our locations: Germany, Netherlands, India, Spain, Austria, and we build a team. So that way, all our members get exposed to the whole life cycle of a project, to all the activities, and they learn a lot, not only best practices, but also technologies and how projects work. So we don't believe in segregation of duties. So we believe that everyone needs to do everything and as much as possible. Okay. As a full stack company, we focus on state-of-the-art web technologies, where that are based on open source, cloud-native foundation projects, composable applications, public cloud, of course, and we want, again, everyone to be full stack. Right, so if you are a cloud engineer, you should know as many cloud services, as many cloud technologies, everything that the guys just show you on the talk. Every team member, we expect it to learn it, irrespective where they are sitting. If they are in India or in Germany, they all should be at the same level. That's our expectation for everyone. Can be a bit overwhelming for people starting, but with time, people really enjoy it, and including operations team members. So we are expecting that they can recover the full system, irrespective of the technologies that are involved. So I like to talk about our guiding principles. So at Mindcurv, we follow the 5 A's, we call it. So it's something everyone uses on the day-to-day work, where we value attitude over aptitude, and adaptability over ability, and certainly no assholes. So we have a no assholes policy in the company. And that way, you don't need to know everything. So you just need to have the right attitude. And with the right attitude, you can learn everything and you can get everywhere. And that is the only thing. So we are willing to give a lot of exposure to people with the right attitude to learn, and we have been doing pretty well so far. So, just as a closing note, if you are interested in engaging with a forward-looking culture, dynamic technologies culture, meet us at our booth. We'll be happy to talk. The guys exposed you to Mindcurv, so you saw only logos, but maybe you have questions about more deep technical topics or how we do it. Feel free to go. We've been doing this forever. For instance, Terraform was released in July 2014. In December 2014, we did our first production implementation on Terraform. So we've been around quite long in this journey. And finally, I'd like to thank the organizers for the event. They are doing an amazing job to build this community in Kerala. So I've been coming to Kerala every year and building Mindcurv, and I was really missing a vibrant community like this one. So thank you so much for the effort. Thank you.